Okay, now to change these names, let's say we don't want just here, tongue name here, and unnamed two here. We want something that is named, really. We don't want this kind of uh, uh, data, this column that doesn't make any sense. Okay, so now let's come here. I think we have not restart the camera. Let's restart it because we end closed it for a long time. Now, we can now have the names of a column which read this CSV. So we can list them here: date, tag, and the ports, and then they should be header is equal to 0. This means this header, it should be index 0 at the top of the headers. So actually this means this header, this is actually the head, how can we see the title of the each column, right? The best suit the environment, that's best suit the topic. So now let's run this. Let's